Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today and talk some fall, some lifestyle. Yeah, some lifestyle. Food, some clothes, some things I keep in my medicine cabinet. Of course, some candles. I got my candle lit. I'm dressed for church, and I'm just going to jump right into this. Okay, first, candles. But my favorites are the Yankee candles, the Bed Bath & Beyond candles, and then there's some by Circle E. Lovely. And the ones that I have in my possession right now that I really like, this one that I have lit, this Yankee candle in Cranberry Harvest. That is a lovely fall scent. Smells like cranberries. I love the Marshmallow Fireside. Just very warm and cozy, inviting. It just makes my house feel toasty, and I just love this. I think last year was my first year with that. Probably, though, my favorite go-to right now, the leaves. I don't have a leaves. I burned them all. I love the leaves. So I'm going to pick up some more of the leaves. And right now, the one I've been burning more than anything is probably the salted caramel. I love the packaging of it. It's not too sweet, just smells like fall, looks really pretty, and I love it. Then I also love the Circle E candles. And this one's an apple strudel, and it smells wonderful and fresh like apples. There's another one I really like, and I can't remember the name of it. Maybe Country Harvest. I'm going to get more of those too. Okay, next, I'm going to go on to warm drinks. And I'm going to start with my favorite, coffee. And that is year-round. But I'll show you what I love, what I especially love in the wintertime. Some people have asked me what I drink on a regular basis. The Folgers Black Silk is my favorite coffee. It's just bold enough. I like it kind of strong, but this is not too strong. The Black Silk is just the perfect amount of strong. Then I also love the H-E-B San Antonio. And if you don't have an H-E-B, you can also get these on Amazon. I will link this down below. I can drink this year round, but I really ramp it up in the fall and winter. This is a blend of cinnamon, chocolate, and vanilla, and it smells like Christmas to me. And then I also picked up this giant Cinnabon classic cinnamon roll. This is very nice. Tastes like cinnamon, and I really like this. And then my favorite coffee creamers right now, of course, just the regular Coffee Mate, and I love Cool Whip for my coffee. But my favorite flavored creams right now are this toasted marshmallow mocha, and this is real creamy. The marshmallow, I would say, is the top note. So it's creamy, it's not overly chocolatey. I love this. Then I love my peppermint mocha. Every year I start drinking the peppermint mocha. I also love the Italian sweet cream. It is so good. And if you have kids or grandkids, my kids used to love drinking that in milk. I also love the International Delight Almond Joy. I would say I probably reach for this more than anything. I'm loving the coconut Atkins bars, the coconut cream. I just love this. And then homemade hot chocolate in this elegant Ziploc bag. And I'm going to put the recipe down below. This is delicious, like milk chocolate. It's not a dark, it's a milk chocolate, and it's got coffee creamer, powdered sugar. And I will drink this in the fall every couple of days. I will have a cup of this and not feel one bit guilty. I also like adding this to my coffee. It's delicious. Okay, and then for food, y'all, I keep winter food year-round, and I'm going to link some videos with my favorite winter foods that I keep all year long, but you might not. I love taco soup. I keep that made all the time, but it's especially appropriate in the wintertime. The kids start wanting it. You know, they can just grab it. Last night, my daughter said, "Do you have any of that taco stuff?" I was like, "Yes, I do. Always." I keep taco soup. I keep chili made up, queso. That is a cheese dip. And it is just, it's a block of melted Velveeta, Rotel, milk to thin it out as much as you want. Y'all, I spoon that over eggs. I spoon it over chili. I spoon it over taco soup. I put it over everything. I love keeping that. All those recipes are going to be down below, either linked or in the description box. Okay, I'm going to move on to things that I keep in my medicine cabinet. Now, I know that this is not the most fun thing to talk about for fall, but it is a necessity, and I stock my medicine cabinet before the cold and flu season even starts. I always keep my Tylenol Cold because I always need this. Tylenol Cold, Mucinex DM, y'all, first signs of congestion. I get my family on this. Keeps that congestion from building up. I'm stocked in Mucinex. It just keeps everything broken up in your chest. Sinuses can hit hard in the wintertime, and I like to be prepared. Okay, next, Theraflu, because this is toasty, kind of like a hot tea. If you're feeling like you're getting sick and you need a good sleep, and this is just a warm, toasty drink, makes me sleep really good, the Theraflu is my favorite. My dad, though, swears by NyQuil. He thinks it makes you well, and I kind of think it does too. For years, he has thought that this heals him. So I stay stocked in NyQuil too. Then Afrin. This stuff is from the heavens. I always keep several Afrins around because we don't want to be sharing that with our family members. Okay, and then things to fight off allergies all winter long. My Zyrtec and my Nasacort. These stay in my nightstand. And then a couple of vitamins and pills that I swear are keeping me from getting sick because I'm at the gym almost every day where they spread germs like crazy. And y'all, this Monolaurin, I heard about this on Ellis for a Living, and you can take like 10 of these a day. I think you can even take more. I think these are from coconut. I have had sick kids. I know that these are stopping me from getting sick. So I swear by the Monolaurins. I know those have fought off about at least 5 sinus infections. I always keep my GNC Ultra Mega Greens because these have so many good vitamins in it. And greens. I just love these. They clear my head. They give me good focus, energy. I love my Mega Greens. And then I also ramp up the vitamin D3 because this is just so good for us. I've told this story before, but when I was about to have ankle surgery, my surgeon put me on D3 and said, I want to see if I can get your body to heal itself. That made a lasting impression on me. This is 5,000 IU, and I take it just every couple of days, and then I give my system a rest from it because I really don't know how much I should be taking. So I just put this in there, every couple of days and then kind of leave it off for a minute. And then I also wanted to tell y'all how I've started storing a lot of my go-tos that the kids might need. I just get this little crate, and this is like my goodie basket. And I slide this under my bed because in the middle of the night, I never know when I might need it. My kids know where to go for the good stuff. So I can just pull it out anytime I need my meds. I don't have to get up and walk to the kitchen or the bathroom. I love this. I started doing that because I didn't have really enough space in my kitchen, and I ended up loving it. Or you could do in your nightstand, but my nightstand's full. Okay, next, a few household things. Now, I will tell y'all, I'm not a big decorator. I decorate for Christmas. I always have a fall wreath I love now, though. And on my front door, it's nice and full. Got that at Home Goods. They always have a variety of beautiful fall wreaths. And then also from TJ Maxx, throws. Don't forget TJ Maxx for throws. This one's a Kate Spade, and it's nice and thin, but warm. And then I got this woolly plaid one for my son, and I think all of these were under $30, if I'm remembering correctly. But Home Goods for the throws. I love my warm, cozy throws. Okay, and then last, I thought we'd talk some fashion. In my fashion in the fall, I get a lot of good staples and wear them about 500 different ways. I'm going to start with what I have on. I've had this sweater for several years, and it is just a straight black sweater. Hold on, let me back up. This is one of my favorite things to wear all fall long. Plaid skirts like this. Mine are usually above the knee, and then I wear them with tights and riding boots. And this skirt is new, and I got it at Banana Republic. And the sweater is just a plain sweater. It's like between a sweater and a t-shirt, but it's sweater material and kind of straight. And then I belt it with just a little braided belt. Then this little plaid skirt, I got at Gap several years ago, but just plaid. Any plaid is cute all fall. Okay, then I also love my little crossbodies. And I just have a variety of fall colors in the crossbodies. These are all Coach. I love the Coach crossbodies. And they're just so cute with the plaid. And then the fall color is just my little papa color, and it's so easy. Just cute and classic. I have it in orange. I have a cream one, I believe is in my car. And then this little yellow one is so cute, and that's spring, but that goes right into the fall. So I love my little crossbodies in the fall. Okay, then I have little skinny pants from Banana Republic, and I've had these in another video, maybe a favorites video. These are great. They're mid-rise, they're straight. These are perfect for riding boots. I got these in khaki, denim, black, and white, so I can wear them year round. Okay, next, shoes. I love my riding boots. I love them. They're so comfortable. They don't have a heel on them. I can just throw them on and go anywhere in them. I also love, and these are so tired, y'all, but I love my Olakai loafers. These are just classic. I'm going to get a fresh pair of black ones, and then they also have these in tan. Y'all, these are so comfortable. They're a little pricey, but just a staple all winter long, and I wear them all summer long. Okay, and that is all my fall favorites. Y'all leave down below your fall favorites. Drinks, candles, whatever y'all are loving, so I can pick it up and love it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.